Hello guys, welcome to Stay Tech, and today we are going to unbox the new Nokia 7 Plus here. There you go. Yeah, so I'm so happy just to get my hands of this Nokia 7 Plus. This is pretty new model of Nokia, and yeah, I'm just wondering what is Android One and everything like that. So that is the box you're gonna get if you have, or if you are buying a new Nokia 7 Plus. So quick specs, that's gonna be Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. This is a little bit big screen, 6 inches, 18:9 ratio, full high definition plus. Camera is 12 megapixel and 13 megapixel, so it has like a dual lens on there. Finger scanner perhaps. We have color black and copper color. There you go, dual side camera mode. Okay, yeah, so this is currently $349. It's a mid-range phone, from Nokia, and then we are going to see if this is really worth the money as well. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna close that IMEI, but that's gonna be the Nokia 7 Plus. Yeah. Made in China, so black, so GB is from Great Britain, so is that what I mean? I think so. Okay, yeah, so this is the 32 gigabytes, I believe, and yeah, so Nokia 7 Plus, that's it. Okay, so shall we unbox it now? Okay, so I'm just gonna take this out. I don't want to ruin the box, so okay, might as well use this. Okay, so there you go. Oh my god, wow, so that's a new Nokia 7 Plus. Come on. Wow, this is really pretty. So Nokia 7 Plus, it's copper color. We got the black color, so that's gonna be the Nokia. We have the SIM eject pin as well here. And another thing, wow, it comes with a case as well, so just that. Okay, so it's a jelly case basically, and you got the manual. What else inside the box? In here you have the charger. So this is the plug. This is from Nokia, yeah. So that is the one from, yeah, so Global City. Well, yeah, it's just in the box. We're gonna check out what's in there more further. We got the earphone. Oh, the earphone looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's shiny down here, and then you have the USB-C there as well. So yeah, the earphone looks really nice. It has like a metal thing on top like that, so it's very, very shiny. And you got the earbuds here as well. Yeah, that one. Yeah, so that's USB-C. That's all what you will have if you are buying the Nokia 7 Plus. As we open this one up, how am I gonna open that? It's very delicate. There you go. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Wow. Wow, so you can see here there's like it's not curved or something, it's like cut here, and then this is really straight. Yeah, so it's really straight, quite good. Headphone jack on top. I got a camera in front of it, Nokia logo, the Nokia logo, speakerphone, the SIM card eject pin. Let me just see what's in there. Okay, so you only have dual SIM and the micro SD card in there, and USB-C and a speaker down here. And yeah, at the back you have the Zeiss camera, which is Nokia. You know, they've been using it for ages now. And you have the flash and the finger scanner, Android One and Nokia. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it on and see how it looks like. Looks good. So this is 6 inches screen, and yeah, looks pretty good. Nokia. Oh my god, did you hear that? Okay, so let's go. Alright, so yeah, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna check it out. I'm gonna set it up and see how is, you know, if it is really worth it. This is just a mid-range phone, but it looks really premium. A Nokia 7 Plus. The premium device is actually the Nokia 8, and yeah, that is a little bit expensive than this. And yeah, apparently I'm gonna check this one here, because according to the box it has embedded finger scanner and screen, and I'm gonna check that out. Okay, so that's just the Nokia phone, and yeah, unboxing of this Nokia. So hopefully you liked it as much as I do. And there you go. Okay, so if you have any question about it, just give me a shout, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel as well. Okay, so thank you for watching. Goodbye.